So where you gone?
Me dey right here, so sir.
So where you gone out the camera for?
No, me not got out of the camera.
People, you see how I'm going like it wicked or whatever, I'm bother everybody or whatever, they shy, you know.
Sir, Raga go.
People one time, you know. This junk here, you know. Walk up, you know, I'm going to boop and kick him, you know. And I'm bottom, you know, the one chim, you know. Yo, Raga, listen to me, I'm gonna play them something and I don't kick me in my saving pan.
Grassy shitty wagwan. Ragashanti! What a lucky thing that me can't read your name. What a lucky thing. Jesus! Look how Raga that wrote me out today. Whoa! Sir Raga, you're honorable distinguisher. Me no know the big words them in a Raga, so pardon me, because I can't call no big words. From you know me, you know so me never graduate. Warbench! How you doing? Say, people who have manners to Ragashanti, you know. Ragashanti did it from the start of my career. When I have manners swim, have manners to doctor. Lord Jesus, a doctor. Ragashanti, you turn doctor now? Alive. You don't have no painkiller. So you're a doctor, so all along you're out here, so you did medically inclined. And you hide it from the whole away. Then I never know, so you're the doctor. I know much time I have a chest problem, headache, and from the other day my vision had dim. Eh? Lattice a tambourine. You remember Ragashanti used to run the radio, you know? Oh God. Sir Ragashanti, good morning. All the best. And then the holiday come up. And then New Year. Me just don't know for a second I'm frightened. Yeah. Sir Ragashanti. People not for sure respect to Ragashanti. Yes. Him are the first TV personality me know. Bring me up. Bring me up. Bring me up. Bring me up. Bring it up. Oh. Bring it up. Nobody use the big words for me now. Celebrity power with celebrity. So true. Brian, you know about a long time you have with Brian. Cause a long time you fight for that Hollywood, you know, you just up in New York. So a long time you fight against me. Oh, bring it up. Oh, Jesus. Me never know say I say mean. Jesus, me so done. Amen. Yeah, make me a hearing.
Dirty Shebada, what go on?
I'm alright, Sir Ragashanti. How are you today, Sir Ragashanti? Welcome to Jamaica.
My day, man. See?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, Shibi. I want people to know, say, you remember when Mass Camp did around the place, right?
Yeah.
All right. Shibi, me I go tell you straight and plain. You know my thing set already and thing or whatever. You know, I don't care what people want to say, but I'm grateful to people who treat me with respect, people who loyal to come for something, and people can say what them want to say. I'm not gonna lie, I not agree with everything what you say and present. I'm not gonna lie, right?
Yeah.
But I just want the world to know, you know, could have born me out, look at me and whatever. This youth here has always treated me with respect, right? From Shebada just a bus them there, and people me want to know. I go say this clear, straight and plain. Me keep sure a national arena people know mix up and blender. Me keep sure a backyard. Me keep sure all about a Jamaica. The show when me make the most money with a Jamaica was when Shibby and Biggie Clash did go on a mass camp. Right? So me keep that show there. And a bunny hold back Shibby them time because Shibby did want to come full force to the show. And let me tell you something, people. You see, if you did that for me not forget it. You understand? And the youth yeah, did say them time the Shibby thing they on top. Right? We don't know bashment granny the whole works. And Shibby say, well, I'm here, Raga. From you say, sure, we're going to do the show. Right? So I give thanks to them thing there and I'm on the real. when me and Shibby talk and all him something there, whatever, is an intelligent youth or whatever, and him never show me no disrespect yet. You understand? So me just want a big respect to you, energy. And again, me not agree with everything you say when you do your thing or whatever, but you're cool, you're good, you and the world need to know that, man. Big up yourself, man. See?
Sir Raga, thank you very much, sir. Now, me smile broad, no, me come move out of the camera. Me smile broad.
So, go on.
Not a thing, sir Raga, not a thing.
Scene. You know, I'm there, I juggle and I do my thing same way, you know.
Yes, sir.
Up in the people in country, I juggle and sit and whatever.
No, you're not juggle, man. You're not juggle. You find your way.
Yeah, you know it going on. We're not waste firing, you know. See it? You know these things for waste fire. So where you going?
Me there right here, so sir.
So where you going out the camera for?
No, me not going out of the camera.
I want to the money, man.
Sir,
I want to the money.
see me here.
People, you see how I'm going like a wicked or whatever, I'm bother everybody or whatever, they shy, you know.
Sir, I gotta go. So,
Yo, people, one time, you know, this junker here, you know, walk up, you know, I'm going to boop and kick him, you know, I'm bottom, you know, the one chim, you know. Yo, Raga, listen to me, I'm going to play them something and I don't kick me in my saving pan. Yo, Shimmy, big up yourself, man. Big up yourself, man. Big up yourself. Just go and do your thing and push through. You hear me? I said, Jay.
yes, sir.
Just go and do your thing, man. And, you know, just go and, you know, say you have your diehard people, them and thing, you know, say crazy fans out there, them now left them Shibby. You see what I say?
Yes, sir.
Just go and juggle and do your thing and whatever. And one time I see a pepper the people, them and I did it. I think I have a way for frame things, you know, you know, you contextualize stuff or whatever, you provide appropriate details to support your argument. So, just
Yes,
Ray. Don't
yes.
think all that Ray. You have a way. Yeah, it should be, that I'm a lawyer now too, right?
Yeah, like, sir, you can't represent me, please.
No, I'm not. Wait, name there in Jamaica, so. This
Oh,
is in
no.
New York and the United. But there are times, when you reason like a lawyer, you reason inductively and deductively and you
No,
break
look
down
how
your
you embarrass me now.
No, I'm serious. There are times when me listen, and again, I don't necessarily agree with you. I agree with you with some things and something I disagree with you. But when I
Yeah.
talk about the conclusion, I'm talking about the way you reason,
Yes.
right? I have a lot of people on the app, they will come and and they do not provide supporting
Yeah.
arguments.
Yes, yes.
Them not give you
Plausible
points.
argument, yeah.
Them will give you the conclusion, but don't tell you how they arrive there.
Yes.
And you, at times, you will speak and you're measured and you're disciplined in your delivery and you will give point by point, say, this is what me think. And then you say, the reason why I think this is because, and
Yes.
that is good.
Yes.
That is good.
Thank you so very much, Mr.
I
Rad.
mean, I know if you agree with it. I mean, I know, oh, you are pretty dancey, but she do it sometime too.
No, yeah, man. This is pretty done. Pretty
Yeah.
done. She has a level of intelligence.
Yes,
But
man.
it's more on the pontificated side. She's more dogmatic about it. But
Yeah,
if you listen without judgment, you can hear reasoning.
exactly. Cause sometimes because she have a MO modus operandi where, she
Yeah.
come up with, and it's part of her brand. She come up with force and thing like that, and you end up focusing on that without realizing that she have some meds in there.
She actually makes sense. She make a lot of sense.
Yeah.
She make a lot
Which
of sense, man. Honestly, no disrespect and no bias, but she make a lot of sense.
may I tell you, she reason well. Sometimes people say, oh, she just loud or whatever. But
Yeah.
if you can just kind of sit back sometime and just pay attention
Filter out the
to,
loudness and
yeah,
listen.
what you are say, where Dana say, and what other people. You have some people them reads pretty well on the app, which is
Yeah.
and they have some other one them just
Very
blah 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 blah
entertaining.
blah,
Very
and
entertaining.
yeah, no substance and no disciplined analysis for the behind them conclusions, you know. Well, on, why everybody have post this F1 something? Now what it mean, Shibi?
It means that we won't get restricted or get taken down.
So what we say for the live get restricted?
No, so sometimes them still. So sometimes the live still. See their light gone now.
The what?
It come back.
What you mean restricted? But what we say for it
No,
get
you know, if I
restricted?
say no, TikTok has gotten very sensitive since America purchased it. It has gotten very sensitive.
No, well that is true. That is true. No, me notice it too. Well, me know why, and we can't really say it here.
Yeah.
Yeah, but certain groups are regulated and are cut out certain things because
Yes.
da 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 that a go on and thing and whatever. You know. Shibi, you can't cook?
Yeah, thank you. Me go look on the radio there now. Me come there. Me come there.
But you can't cook. People are where Shibi say Shibi can't cook. Oh, by the way, if anybody over here, if you're not follow me, you try follow me now, you know. And just know, say, I do my show every evening, Monday to Thursday, from little after 6 till about 10:30, 11, see? Right, just upon the app. Right? Every evening from little after 6 in the evening until about 10:30. So, them time there. So, make sure someone follow me and lock in the thing, see? But what people, all on the Shibi fans, them can't cook. Touchy boom, I go follow you, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Cause you know, I follow people, you know, if you follow me follow.
Yes, sir, Raga. The reindeer nearly burn up.
Shibi, how you cook?
Reindeer.
Tell me how you season it.
You have to season it with ginger, whole heap of garlic, whole heap of onion because the meat itself pungent, you know, so you have to cut it down.
Oh, ginger, garlic, and
Yeah, ginger, garlic, beat up whole heap of ginger, whole heap of garlic, whole heap of clove.
oh, okay, see. So you can't cook for two?
No, I can try something, but in the pies, I yet, when I do my result, now come out negative yet.
Well, I can hear the humility in your rhetoric, you know. But Shibi, even me can't cook good enough. I can't cook at all, you know.
No, sir, rather, you can't have that them out there and can't cook, and you can't class everybody, so.
No, man, I can't. The cooking thing, I know my strength, man. The cooking thing, I'm not gonna lie. The cooking. Back here, you know. I can't season up, look at tin mackerel and whatever.
Tin mackerel needs seasoning like that.
No, man, I can't, you know, I can't do look at something with chicken and whatever, you know. But you say, if you're gonna say cook ox, tail, and stew, peas, and them, I can't cook them something. I don't know if you cook them something, you know. I don't know how to cook those things. You swear me. Shibi, you know, so you need to cut out the free good one, come on the camera. Stop the foolishness, you know, Jay. I want me to you, man. I want to the man, yeah, man. People, I want to the boy, yeah, where must stay out the camera for? Shibi! I ain't gone. I got the youth, yeah.
Oh, you come back, sir.
Oh, I come back?
Yeah. But how we the mix up and go on? How we the mama, how we cuss and go on, but you know, so me hear them people up on my program. Oh, God. Sir, I can just go and leave my son. I'm make a conversation did go this year. Lati full of you envy me. Lati, your girl will envy me. I see why you stuck a floor with from the company for writing your name. You'd never get the company, Lati. No, me never did that hide. Me never fix that. Me never fix that. Me never did hide. Me never did hide. You think me I idiot say I walk and I hide? Me look hideable. No, I was right here fixing this. Anybody say me did I hide, me I go block you now. I'm serious. I wasn't hiding. Anybody say me I hide, me I go block you now. I'm also on a really little bit of brave for my program. Big B, me got class, you see. Discover me, I got block you. You can't block we. We were hiding. You know, so we don't have no manners to me. We don't have no manners. Me I look something for box on the door. Hold on, me I come. I want something for really clever, you know. Who remember the long time commercial where Jamaica used to have? I'm looking for a bargain. I'm looking for a store. I need so many things. I just, you know, say whole word for pay me because me alone remember it. Then Auntie, thanks for remembering us. Oh, I remember you, ma'am. Ma'am, oh, I remember you. Whole word. No, man, a long time. Some man run off a foreign. No, now come back home. I just can't walk anymore. Blow, it's true. Lord, I don't want the reindeer bun up, you know. I'm gonna see me out here, we do not, every time we dip on live, we do not, the meat always come out like a maroon. I don't know sometimes if me I eat nanny or me I have pal bogle. But sometimes when I dip on live, we don't know. I have to scrape the meat. I have to scrape the meat. It have a lot of maroon farms on it. It farm lot for sure. When I always make my food them change color. Now I don't have to walk anymore. For sure. You let. Oh, you mean me left Shalom by himself? Shalom lucky. Me go look on the reindeer. What are the people me have come? Why people? God bless Sir Ragashanti. People, me love Ragashanti now. I truly know me love Ragashanti for sure. Me love Ragashanti. You think I joke? Me love Ragashanti. Me used to admire that man personality on the radio. He is so... Ragashanti was one of the only men in Jamaica where I really themselves. Him being self. And that made me respect about him. And him not afraid for pussy and tell anything come in. But Lord Jesus, I can't bother with Sir Honorable. You're Ragashanti and a doctor. Lie. No man even holy for something. Doctor and liar. Yeah, them fight against him. We didn't know that from him there Jamaica, them fight against him. They never want him on radio. I saw you going to win your slaughter sale. You don't know that's like a... Me don't know the word there now. Me don't know for anthropologist or anthropologist. Look here, nobody use them big scientific word they call me, you know. Why my professor? Or the doctor give him professor? Look here, I don't understand all of the titles them, you know. That's why I have no letter behind my name. The last time I looked at the alphabet, not there. No, I'm everything for true. God, no. Just set a long time, if you sell the things them out of your closet. Just set a you alone away crimpling material in a 2026. Huh? You got to talk about safe myself in the fridge. Me there far, you know. Me there far, you know. Farr. I don't know how much R in it. Farrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr me know I could have get some. Yeah. Anthropologist. I know that's how the word spell. I know that's how the word pronounced. I don't know about the spelling. I spell like anchovy. For sure. It spell like anchovy for sure. Yeah. Stop spell the word. Stop put up the word. Yeah. I'm sick of you. I'm sick and tired. When I like to show people is education, that I notice. I waited all my life to be bright. And when I come turn out, the result was dull.